Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You install Vidiq and sign into YouTube, then connect the essential features so data appears. Once connected, run Keyword Inspector on your top idea and note search volume, competition, and related queries. Make sure you enable channel audit and competitor tracking to compare baseline metrics. Then pick one primary keyword and two supporting phrases to target in the upcoming video. This gives you a focused SEO plan so you can optimize title, tags, and description in the next step. You now optimize the on-page elements. Create a concise title that places the primary keyword early, then expand tags to cover exact, partial, and broader terms. Once done, write a thorough 200+ word description that naturally includes keywords, chapters/timestamps, and a clear call to action. Make sure your thumbnail score in Vidiq is strong, test contrast, and readable text. Also use Vidiq's SEO score and suggestions to refine tags and description. You publish the video using optimized settings, add to playlists, enable end screens and cards, and schedule shares. After release, monitor Vidiq metrics daily. CTR, average view duration, search ranks, and tag performance to spot trends. Then iterate, adjust title, thumbnail, tags, and description based on real data. If Vidiq stops showing metrics or tag ranks, reauthorize the extension, clear browser cache, and update the extension. If that fails, relog into YouTube and check permissions before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.